What if the moon suddenly vanished? Imagine stepping outside one night, the familiar glow above the moon, gone. No pale guardian lighting the sky, no silent companion orbiting Earth. Just emptiness. This is not a dream, not a poetic metaphor. This is the question. What if the moon suddenly vanished? The moon has been with us for 4.5 billion years. It shaped our planet, our tides, our nights, even the path of life itself. But let's take it away. Not slowly, not over millions of years, instantly. One moment it's there, the next, it's gone. What happens next is more than darkness. It is the unraveling of Earth's delicate balance. When we ask what if the moon vanished, we are asking, how deeply does our world depend on this silent rock? The answer is everything. The moon's presence is not just decoration, it is a stabilizer, a force, a cosmic partner that keeps Earth from spiraling into chaos. Without it, our nights, our oceans, even our seasons would never be the same again. First, the tides. The moon's gravity pulls at Earth's oceans, creating the tides that rise and fall like a heartbeat across the globe. Without the moon, the sun would still tug at the seas. But its effect is weaker. Less than half as strong. Tides would shrink dramatically, from mighty surges that sculpt coastlines to shallow ripples barely noticed by the shore. Entire ecosystems depend on those tides. Crabs, sea turtles, countless fish. Without the moon, their rhythms collapse. But the oceans are only the beginning. The moon also steadies Earth itself. Our planet tilts at an angle 23.5 degrees. That tilt gives us seasons. Winter, summer, the long shadows of autumn, the rebirth of spring. The moon's gravity holds that tilt steady. Without it, Earth wobbles, like a spinning top beginning to falter. Over centuries, even millennia, our tilt could swing wildly, from near zero to 60 degrees or more. Imagine a planet where the poles point directly at the sun, where ice caps melt into oceans and deserts shift across continents. A world reshaped not by slow geology, but by violent climatic swings. The moon prevents this. Take it away, and Earth is thrown into chaos. Scientists believe that Earth's stable climate is one of the reasons life flourished here. Without a steady tilt, ice ages would be longer, summers more brutal. The entire species might never have had the chance to evolve. In fact, some theories suggest that complex life, humans included, might never have appeared without the moon's guiding hand. Our ancestors looked up at its glow. They told stories by its light, navigated seas by its phases. Even today, its pull shapes everything from fishing cycles to human sleep patterns. The moon is not just a rock, it is part of us. So, let's walk through it, step by step. Step 1. The immediate night. The first change is silence. The moon's reflection disappears. Nights become darker than humanity has ever known. The stars seem sharper, but the absence of the moon creates a void, a sky that feels incomplete. No more full moon illuminating landscapes, no more crescent guiding travelers, just endless black. Step 2. The oceans retreat. Within hours, tides shrink. Coastal wetlands begin to dry. Creatures that depend upon tidal flooding lose their lifeline. Entire food chains falter. Step 3. The climate begins to shift. Over decades, Earth begins to wobble. Our seasons distort. Some regions freeze for centuries. Others scorch under relentless heat. Farming becomes unpredictable. Civilizations already fragile face collapse. Step 4. Evolution stumbles. Without the moon, the long arc of life itself bends differently. Perhaps humanity survives, perhaps it doesn't. Future species would evolve under strange skies, their lives shaped by instability, not balance. Step 5. Cosmic consequences. The moon also acts as a shield. Its gravity deflects asteroids, pulling some into its surface before they strike Earth. Without it, more impacts rain down, catastrophes become more likely. Earth is exposed, vulnerable, alone. The vanishing of the moon is not just an astronomical thought experiment. It is a reminder. Our world is fragile, balanced on forces we rarely notice. The moon hangs above us, silent and patient, yet its influence is everywhere. It holds back chaos. It steadies life. It keeps us safe. Take it away, and the story of Earth changes forever. So tonight, when you see the moon, remember, it is more than a light in the darkness. It is a guardian, a stabilizer, a silent partner in the story of life. But this is only one possibility. One what if. If the moon can shape our world so profoundly, and we must ask, what if the sun vanished?